Just a few months after the launch of the Apple Watch Series 10 or Apple Watch X, we can get excited about the potential improvements to come. The highly anticipated watch is expected to be announced in late summer or early fall of 2024, possibly alongside the iPhone 12 family. Rumors suggest that the Apple Watch X could bring significant improvements to health tracking, communication, and safety, as well as a new design or exclusive features through watchOS 12. Historically, the Apple Watch has maintained a stable design with subtle updates every few generations to keep it looking fresh. And Apple appears to be taking a similar approach with transitions every 3 years, with the latest major change being the larger screen Apple Watch Series 7. Speculation suggests that the Apple Watch X could offer key improvements like a thinner body and larger displays, with some reports suggesting a 2-inch display, suggesting more competition between the models. The entire band connection system is also likely to be overhauled, which could make existing bands incompatible with future new releases. It will be interesting to see how Apple will handle these changes and address the concerns of loyal users, including new and unique features in the new Apple Watch. The Apple Watch X is expected to include top-notch features such as intensive exercise tracking, support for a wide range of apps, convenient emergency communication, and safety tools. The big question is what new and unique features the latest version of the Apple Watch will bring. The Apple Watch Series 9 had an innovative navigation gesture known as Double Tap, which allowed users to answer calls and stop timers by tapping 2 fingers together. According to Bloomberg, the next generation wearable may be able to monitor and alert for signs of sleep apnea and high blood pressure. But there are concerns that these features may be delayed due to reliability challenges during testing. Sleep apnea tracking relies on a blood oxygen sensor, which may be affected by legal issues with health tech company Masimo. We are unlikely to see Apple Intelligence on the upcoming Apple Watch X or Apple Watch Ultra, and these features are expected to be rolled out to future iPhones, iPads, and Macs. A long-lasting battery is a dream for Apple Watch users, with the current model only lasting 18 hours, but the Apple Watch Ultra 2 could offer 36 hours of battery life, with improvements to low power mode and new technologies to improve power consumption. In short, the Apple Watch Series 10 will be one of the best smartwatches on the market this year, with exciting improvements and new technologies, but the challenges it faces, such as a potential lawsuit, remain under scrutiny. Thanks for watching with you, Galaxy Go.